everybody, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another what I ate in a day video. I wasn't really planning on filming anything today and I thought, you know what, I want to film something. So yeah, we're gonna eat some food. I'm going on a little adventure and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm super excited. Oh, there is some cleaning supplies. So it is now like 7 something o'clock. I was already awake at 5 in the morning, guys. So I've been doing pretty well with waking up at 5 in the morning. Oh my God, I know. Little friend here came to visit, but. So we're gonna have some breakfast first and then I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit more because I need to eat. I've been awake for 2 hours and I haven't eaten anything. I've just drank some coffee. I forgot to show you, but I basically had the mushroom coffee. You know what, I'm just gonna show you guys what I had. So I had this mushroom coffee, as you've seen already. That was my breakfast. Oh, and I mixed in my chaga mushroom elixir mix. Yeah, these two things have been my morning routine. And now I'm gonna make myself a little breakfast. Breakfast time. We're gonna be making some chickpea and avocado on toast. So I'm just mashing some chickpeas and then I'm just going to add in some avocado and mash that in, and that should bind everything very well together. Then let's add in some diced onion and a little bit of lemon juice. And a little sprinkling of garlic salt and also some Dijon mustard. And I also had some arugula on hand, so I'm adding that in as well for some extra greens and crunch. And then of course we're gonna spread that on some toast, and I'm also gonna have a side of greens for some extra nutrients. And there you have it, guys. There's a very simple yet very delicious and nutritious breakfast. And this kind of tasted like a vegan egg salad to me. I'm not really sure how that works, but it kind of really reminded me of an egg salad. Either way, it's very good, very delicious. It's full of healthy fats and protein and greens. So definitely try this out for your next breakfast. Whew, look at that. I'm trying to avoid the sun. Look, the sun is wonderful, but when you're trying to film a video and it's in your face. Anyways, so I just had breakfast. It is now about 8 o'clock. I'm about to go get ready and get the day started. But I thought I would just talk briefly about this 5 a.m. give you guys a bit of an update. So it's been going pretty well. Obviously not every single day has been perfect, but I have been, I think the last 3 days or so, like I mentioned, I've been waking up at 5 in the morning. So I've been doing really well. I think this is day 3 of me actually doing it in a row. So yeah, it's been working out. I think it is very much thanks to this book that I've been listening to, and it's called The 5-Second Rule. I started listening to it after I finished my week challenge of waking up at 5 in the morning. So I kind of wish I read it before I did the 5 a.m. challenge, but now I'm applying it, so it doesn't really matter. The 5-second rule is basically a rule where if you feel the need to do something, or if you have an impulse to do something that would be good for you, or if you know you have to do something but you don't really want to, you don't have the courage to do so, you're kind of afraid, before you start coming up with excuses in your head, you just count down from 5 and then you just have to do it at the end. So you just go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just go. So yeah, it's really interesting and I feel like it could be applied to many different situations in life. It was actually a friend of mine that recommended the book to me, so I've been listening to that. So if you guys want to actually listen to it, you can get yourself a free audiobook through Audible. So if you guys want to get a free audiobook and a free 1-month trial to Audible, you can check out the link down below and check out The 5-Second Rule. I recommend that book. Audible is great. It's basically like a huge online store for audiobooks. It's a company owned by Amazon. They've got so many different audiobooks and I legit listen to Audible like every single day. So yeah, I'm a paying customer of Audible, guys. So definitely check out Audible. Link is down below. That's it. So you can get yourself a free audiobook, and I do recommend The 5-Second Rule, but of course you can get whatever audiobook of your choice. But yeah, that is what I've been doing. So that's been helping me a lot, people. But anyways, I need to stop talking and get ready. Let me just do something about this, okay?
A few moments later.
Hello! Say hi,
We're
Maria.
on! Hi!
Oh my God, we are on. We're
Hi,
live.
we're on live on
Who are you?
Cheap Lazy Vegan with Food by Maria.
Cheap Lazy Vegan and Food by Maria collaboration.
Unintended.
So we are going to, not Banff, we're going to Norquay,
Norquay.
which is in the Rockies.
Ish. Well, like, yeah, it is. We're in the Rocky Mountains.
Okay, we're gonna show you.
We're in the Rocky Mountains.
We're gonna go to the Rocky Mountains. Right now we're driving out of Calgary and we are about to go on a little adventure. Hopefully it'll be amazing. I feel like it will be.
Yeah, we're checking out, from what I understand, we're checking out a new restaurant in Norquay. We're taking a scenic gondola ride up to a new restaurant and they're making us vegan meals. It's not a full vegan restaurant and they invited me and I asked them if they'd make me something to cater to vegan and plant-based diet and they said 100% we cater to all diets here.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And she invited me because she's so nice.
Yeah, and I have no other friends.
That makes me feel special.
Maybe I'll have wine and you can drive. Do you have your license?
I do.
Okay, and you just never drive.
I just never drive. I don't have a car. I do have a license, people. I do know how to drive. I just never drive because I hate driving and I don't have a car because I live in downtown and cars are annoying.
DM me if you want her address.
Maria's freaking out about a plane.
I shit myself on planes.
Oh, really?
Well, not actually, but I could.
But you're scared of planes.
I've got a lot better.
We are officially in Banff area. Woo! Look at that view. So we're just driving up this mountain windy road situation and we just thought we would stop because this view is beautiful. Let's have a look. So we're on the lift. We were a little scared for a moment, but it's actually pretty chill. It's actually really nice.
They're not like chairs. I thought they were chairs.
They are like chairs.
They're not like chairs. This is a
They are chairs.
This is like a chair lift.
Oh, I hate these things. Oh. All right, so we're on the chairlift right now. Oh, I hate those bumpy things. Whew, we're pretty high up at this point. Oh my god. Whew. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You make me feel less retarded.
I'm actually scared right now.
I love it. You make me feel less
It's like
afraid.
too slow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's going very slow. Hi, how are you? Here we are, guys. We made it. We're here now at the top of the mountain. And it's absolutely gorgeous. They gave us some cocktails. There's booze, so I'm happy. Although we're kind of on empty stomachs, so. Cheers. I'm here for food and this view. Drinks, view, not a bad day. So this is our vegan charcuterie board. So we're having a custom-made vegan taco with black bean, and I just had like a really good pretzel. Is it delicious?
So good.
Oh my god.
So good.
I'm so full already, but you know what?
Just keep going. So for those that aren't eating the vegan ones, we've got like a beer.
So this is the vegan taco that I'm like finished.
Comments.
That looks better. It's really good.
Like to sign it.
Really good. It's like black bean patty, it looks like. And just deliciousness.
Look at that view.
Oh my, this view is amazing. everyone, we are done our lunch and drinks. How was everything?
I enjoyed it. They had this vegan pretzel with like a mustard.
And we have it in here.
Yeah, we took it to go.
We're like, we're gonna take this to go because we're really full.
Too much food.
We didn't want to like waste it, right? So.
And then I think there was like a black bean patty. Almost looked like a seitan.
Yeah, I don't know how they made it. It was really good.
Double crusted taco type thing. So soft shell and hard shell.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. I can't remember what she nicknamed it. And then we had tea infused cocktails which
that
were
were
so good. And then they made us a vegan charcuterie board,
which was great.
Had this like, you're making me so nervous right now.
Why?
Your camera. Okay.
I'm holding it.
This thing goes so fast.
See, it's like freaking.
Anyway, vegan charcuterie board, cool local beers.
Yeah. And
awesome
this view.
Vendors.
Everyone was nice. The view is beautiful. We're going down
Cute
this thing.
British guys, if you're single ladies, go hit it up.
It is hot.
Stay.
OG did a bad thing. Anyways, so I guess I'm going for a picnic. This was not part of my plans, but you know, it's Friday. Hi! That's Nicole, and then where's Amanda? Hi! That's Amanda. So we're gonna go for a nice picnic because it's like 30 degrees right now, and homegirl needs a tan. Now at Stanley Park. I tried to tan, but it's too hot. Actually, I'm gonna keep tanning. Let me get a little bit darker. Ooh. Oh, hi. Hi. Whew. OG. Did you tire yourself out? Does he want more water?
A few moments later.
For dinner, we're gonna be making some cold ramen noodle salad. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but that's basically what it is. So first, we're going to make some mushroom bruschetta. Now, my friend actually showed me this recipe and I'm pretty much obsessed with it. So we're taking some raw mushroom and we are just going to dice it very finely. We're gonna chop very finely these raw mushrooms. And then we're going to add some sesame oil, some olive oil, and garlic salt. Those are the three things you're gonna add, and then you're just gonna mix it together. And the beauty of this is that it's raw mushroom and you wouldn't think that it would taste really good, but I don't know, this combination is just delicious. I'm adding more oil because, I don't know, lots of oil in this just makes it taste better, so that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to make my favorite tahini dressing, and as you can see, the ingredients are on the screen right here. We're adding equal parts of everything on that list, except for water. Water is dependent on how thin or thick you want the dressing. And now it is time to assemble the bowl. We're gonna add some mixed greens, some arugula. We're also gonna add the ramen noodles, which I have rinsed in cold water and drained. And then we're also gonna add some chickpeas for some protein. And then we're gonna drizzle that tahini dressing on top. You can add as much or as little as you want. And you can of course save that dressing for later, which you will want to save some for later because it is so good. And of course, don't forget about that mushroom bruschetta. I'm just going to add that into the bowl, and I'm going to top everything off with some toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, guys. There is a delicious cold ramen noodle tahini mushroom bowl. I don't even know what to call this, but it is super good. I highly recommend trying out that mushroom bruschetta. You can actually have it on top of toast, and it's so good.
A few moments later.
Okay, so today is a day full of activities, my friends. Now, I feel like it's like 3 days. Today, all of the things I'm doing is like 3 days worth of activities. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, now I am at the Calgary Stampede, which is basically a big festival. What is it, 10-day long? This is Angela.
Hi, you know me.
Yes. 10-day long festival that happens in the city, and it's like the only time where like people are like alive in the city, you know, things actually happen. So we're at the Stampede grounds, which is basically kind of like a carnival, I guess. And I realized I got like darker, of course. We're just gonna chill, hang out, maybe do something healthy, but we decided instead we're gonna come here, which is probably a super unhealthy place. We're gonna go get some beer, you know, but it's gonna end soon. Stampede's ending like what?
I think this Sunday.
This Sunday, so we thought we'd come. But this place, just so you know, is probably like the least vegan place ever. They have the rodeo here, which is gross. Don't ever go to the rodeo, please. Don't rodeo. Oh,
I actually can't. Like,
it's so bad. I don't know why that's still a thing, but it's still a thing and it needs to stop. But anyways, let's go get some beer. Fuck, I have a stupid Taylor Swift song stuck in my head. Okay, so we just had a beer. Oh, it's so cold. It's actually so cold. It was like super hot earlier today, and now it's like really windy and super cold. But anyways, you probably can't hear me. I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I can't even open my eyes. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
click the like button.
What? Oh, click the like button.
How do I know this shit better?
Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And
Never miss a video.
and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!